tell me, what happened?
So we are from vocational teachers.
Tell me.
So I'm the president of the union.
So what's the issue?
Our issue is that our
In the
demands
pay
are still
structure?
pending. Yeah. We are from vocational education.
Do you have the papers? Does Commissioner Secretary and Education Minister aware about
We
this?
have all these submit everything from right from 2026.
Umintri rangba ke jela ukon rat ke sangma hakashi tarik jemang ula hiar nakakali banyakendu iakren markhmat ikidikat ke Meghalaya Vocational Teachers Union MVTU ki bapendong jingiakhih dak barak plakat sabar ka jingelang le buram hakaba ula kular banyarap hapo jong uput haluar kani ka jingdawa jingsiu thamai jong kini ki nonghikai ya kani ka jingiakhih lapenlong sabar ka madan student jayang Katba ka Meghalaya SSA School Association, bat ka Meghalaya Food Teachers Association, kidang penlong ika jingalang le buram, halur ka jing pentrekam jong ka sorkar jela, ya ka jing siu tulab ka batmai, na kabenta kinohikai SSA, bat Food Teachers ha ka jela, kenang ban penklan ya ka jingada ha ka jing syakri, bat ka jing penyo ya ka jing siu ka babiang, na kabenta jongki. Habayo iya kiba penlong jingiakhih umintri rangba ula penyeng ya kekinhun ki kali kiba buat ya bat ula hiar na kali banyak keren bat sngap ya ki jing pensngau ki jongki ula kula ru dak baong ngan persyang banyarap kat bala hapo jong upun ngan persyang ya kababhatam ula benram hadien kani kinonghikai kila ai khublai ya ka jing ai mensim bat ka jing kular jong umintri rangba na kalyang upresiden ke MVTU uba Iban Suk Suchang haswa kani ulaong baginohikai vocational kila syai no ben hakabaya day ber kajing siu ya katulab thamai balapan bana sya ki waipat kinohikai kata wat hadin balayai beteng ban pensngo sya ka sarkar kumba phitim ba umintri rangba unsa pelat ya kajing siu tulab ka bathmai kinohikai Henry kalong ka basngusi ba mangi kinohikai vocational yimshimla sya kenthop lang Ngisngo bangila sya no ben ong uba suchang. Nakata ka daw, ngila rai ban mi sya surak da kabara eki plakat. Namar ngiru ngikwa baka sorkar kan kentop lang eki nohikai vocational. Hapo kan ika jing siu ka batamay ulaang. Ulaang ru ba kan ika jing dawa ka day ka bala sateng da kisnam. Kumba pitip baka vocational education, kelas dang na 26 arjar kat nyaw. Bat haduk menta, kampat dan ka jingkiu tulab lani ka jingsiu bathamai lani ka job policy. Ngila ra ya kani ka jingdawa na duus na marjar kat kendai. Henry haduk menta ompat syam na le AA halor kani ka kam wat hadien bangila beteng ban pak dorkas syaki menteri bat sya umintri rangba ula benram. Nalor kata ula kedauru baka jingbun jong ka kam kumta kinohikai vocational ru kidoi hok banyo ya ka jingsiu ka bamaringkan. Kinohikai vocational kishim class naduk class 11 haduk 12 kabamut ya ki secondary but higher secondary Henry wat hapdeng kani ka jingsiu jongi kalong ka barit shibun ulaang kumta ngisngo bangi dan ya ka hok banyo ya ka jingsiu ka batmai kenang ban pentik na ya ka juk ka rukam siu na ka benta ka kam ka mamarkum juk ula banram
Peaceful person. We just want to stand here. We just want to.
So you still need the permission, right?
Yes, it's just a peaceful one. No? Just as you can see that we just want to show. We just want to
Why
show
we have to do
plakat
this,
tu.
madam? Because
As
we already submit the memorandum to minister and chief minister, but still they forgot us. Now we have most of the students they will stand there, not the students, the teachers, but us now they are leaving us outside.
all the
This is not
teachers
fair,
inside are
right?
happy today, but we are the only category of teachers who are not happy. We are happy for them. We want to congratulate them. Okay, no doubt about that. We are happy for them. But why they exclude us? That's the question. That's what we want this CM. We don't even want to talk to him also. We just want him to see us. To see us. And next time he can call us to his office. Do you know that for how many times we have tried to meet him also? We are not getting appointment. What should we do? You tell me. You tell me, madam. You tell me.
But for any kind of
Yeah.
demonstration,
Some other time officially.
yeah, not
That's what
There's always
we no sir. We have tried. I
Several
can't even
times.
count how many times we tried. See, this is the file that we have sent to them. Right from the state coordinators, we have already sent our demands. Right from the state coordinator, the director, the secretary, then minister. Right from the time Sir Mboy was there, we already sent to his office. That time, unfortunately, we couldn't meet him. But to Sir Rakam, we have met him uncountless times. Okay. But till now we haven't got any response. Whenever we came to meet him, he was still examining. But till now for 3-4 years, what kind of examination is that? I'm going to know how they examine it. If you don't know, then I will guide them. We are teachers, I think at least for that, you know how to do it. Tang mangi it's the only kind of teachers we came from vocational education. Okay, we are vocational education teachers, and we are the one who implemented vocational education in Meghalaya. But why they exclude us? Why they forgot us? We have the right to demand from them, and we want an answer for the education minister from the CCM itself, because for right from 2023 we have submitted our demands to the education minister, to the secretary, to the director, to the state coordinator, even to the CM also. We already submitted our demands. I don't understand why they have to exclude us. And as you can see, in every meetings, in every education mission, they always used to speak about vocational education and skills education. But what they do about the vocational teachers? It's us who implement this skill education in the grassroots levels. Why they forgot us? Why they exclude us? And like what I said, that this is just a peaceful show placard. We just want to show our demand to the CM. That's all. We don't want any problem here. Okay, that's all. As you know that we are teachers, we know how to follow the rules and whatever. And as we already know that India is a democracy country, we have the right to do this. I think you don't have the right to stop us. Please allow you. If you don't want, will not go inside. Just choose us a place, a proper place there. Then we'll stand there with your security, with tight security. How many of you? There are many of you, and also how many of us? Only few of us. Just choose a place for us there. We'll just stand here. So please do something for us. Choose a place, a proper place for us there. Just stand there with the placards. That's all. You can be around us. All the security.
They are not bringing anything. Only our mobile phone.
For that, not even the question. We are teachers. We are the one who have supposed to show good example to others. And why should we do that? That's not even a question. Come, please, make some place for others. No, we'll not go inside. Just make some space there. Just let us go behind the bars only.
Come. Please tell me. What happened? Tell me.
So I'm the president of the union.
So what's the issue?
Our issue is that our
In the
demands
pay
are still
structure?
pending. Yeah. We are from vocational education.
Do you have the papers? Does Commissioner Secretary and Education Minister aware about
We
this?
have all these submitted everything from 2026. Right from this year we started, but we haven't.
Let me go through this. I'm not aware. So many issues are there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm not very aware. I'm not aware. I'll get back to you. Your contact number is here?
Yes, sir. This one.
Yeah.
It's in the front.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So I'll try to work. Okay. We try to help as much as possible, whatever is within the limits.
Yes, sir.
No? I'll do my
Sir,
best.
let it.
Okay. Right. See you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Tags ni ni wana ka Meghalaya Vocational Teachers Union. Te kumba pil tim tags ni ba UCM release ya kata new pay structure jongki nonghikai kembang yo iba almost bagi nonghikai kala yo ya kan new pay structure jongki tangba yang ipat ki vocational teachers jongka vocational education kelempat include yang ini lalong kembaki syuklat ini kumne takadang im tagas ngi wan daga sem kebakhoi ban wan pen kalong kumba syupen i plakat show ba ngi don kam ngi kwa ba kin include yang ini hapo kanega new pay structure kumba ngi letiba connect vocational education kala point ha ngi lak sedang ka nadu 2017 แต่หาดูมันตั้งอิมปัดเยอะกับไอ้คุมกับ increment ในกับ new pay structure ในกับ job policy หาดูมันตาแต่ยังกันใน demands ฮับปะกับ office level งิลาปันนาดูสนาม2019 บัดหาดูมันตั้งอิมปัดเยอะหากับ minister level บัดหาดู CM รู้กิลาเดบ summit ยังกับ demand จังนี้คุมกับ job security กับ new pay structure แต่บัดมันตายังกันกับnew pay structure kembali lah ayah kini kiwe pat kini hikai. Dan kembali kawai ngak pak ban pentip seki way seki public ba kena ke vocational education ni ki nonghikai vocational ni sim class nadu 9 to 12. Tolong kim kumbangi le ajak kikam ke jongka secondary level bat ka higher secondary level. Tang ba ka pe ka bingi yo kalong ka kamyama chai kale sebenang sekendau. Kumba ngi laban ong ta te ta ka daw ngi ngej ba ngi don hop si shaban yo eng nega new pay structure nega equal pay for equal work ta la da ngi ong ba kumi ka kam jongi dalong kumba kono barang kumba ngi lele ajak ki kam tang bang yo pe tang ka wei ka pe kata ka ba bompat bem te ta ka daw ngi ta ka ngi lek pen ni peaceful show na ya UCM tang ben yo i bad tip ya ka demand jong ni
một phần lệch bên hàng tôi chỉ cả vào phần lòng
ngin lek ba yang te entah ngin ba yang te it's a peaceful show so there'll be no problem about it